Now we'll solve exercise 2D from New Syllabus 1, 6th edition. So here, question number A. 3 multiplied by minus 7. So plus into minus, minus. 3 7 are 21. Now question number B. Question number B says minus into minus. So minus into minus will be plus. That means minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6. See, very simple one. C. Minus into minus plus. That means minus 20 into minus 14 will be plus 14. 20 is 180. Here, question number D. Minus 4 whole square can be written as minus 4 into minus 4. So minus say plus 4 4 is 16. That is our answer. Number E. Minus into minus. Minus say plus 4 9 is 36. Question number F. Minus divided by plus will be minus also. Minus 4 by 2 will be minus 2. Now question number G. Minus divided by minus. So minus 7 is say plus 122 divided by 2 will be 61. Just we need to divide 122 by 2. Then we will get 61. Very simple one. Now question number 8. 8 says 275 divided by minus 5. So here answer will be negative. Now 270 by 5. 5 5s are 25. We have 2, 25, 5 5s are 25. So answer will be minus 55. Question number I. Minus 3 into minus. Minus say plus 12. 12. Minus 8 into minus 2. Minus 7 say plus 16. Okay. So now we need to multiply 12 by 16 to solve this one. 12 6 are 72. We have 7. 12 on the 12 plus 7 is 19. So 192 will be the final answer. Now question number J. Question number J, here we are multiplying minus 3 by 0 by minus 8 by minus 4, 5 by minus 4. Here we are multiplying each and every number by 0. When you are multiplying any number by 0, then answer will be 0. And that is the solution of exercise 2D. I hope you understand this one properly.